Oh hey, since I plan on doing some more trucking vlogs now, I thought I'd introduce you to my co-pilot here. This is Fifi. He's being a big grumpy pants right now because I won't let him into the deep grass. Anyways, what I got on me right now is some barley that's going to be turned into malt for craft beers and stuff. And I'm delivering tomorrow. I conveniently forgot all my what's it called, tripods and mounts, so I don't know how much videos I'm actually going to film or if you're going to see this to begin with, but I'll try my best to get something out for you guys. Offloading our barley now. Full load. So the center is now cleared out here. While the back is unloading, I usually just like to get ahead of the game and blow at the center so it's nice and clean for the final drop. So front bars are all clean. We're just waiting for this back to finish up, and then we'll shovel out the very end there, and then we'll blow out the back one, and the back one will be totally clean. This. We're all clean, ready for another load in the front trailer. Let's start the back trailer. So we're working on the back trailer right now. I got this all blown out and ready. This is the front. You basically did the back trailer in reverse of the front trailer, so the front's getting emptied out, and then I clean it out, and then we head to the back here, and then we finish it off. So yeah. Okay, all done loading or unloading the barley. That's our empty weight over there. This is ended up getting. Fifi's being grumpy because I left 20 more times than he did. But there he is. Hi. I'm sorry, I had to work. Anyways, we'll get on. I have to do an oil change, and we'll see if I'm picking up anything later. Oh, hi. So we got the oil change done and the trailer looked at here, and we made it to our next destination. We're at a nursery, and we're going to pick up some trees and take them to Edmonton. I'm sorry, but I don't have my mount, so I won't be able to film it. I might film it intermittently throughout the loading procedure, but I'll give you a loaded look once we're done here. So, I didn't actually get much done for filming wise, but I made it to the destination with the trees. I should have showed you a picture of what they look like while I loaded them. It's kind of busy because there's a lot of work. Like, you basically have to strap the whole trailer. So I had to clean up the straps, undo the tarps, and clean up everything. They unload it, but it's freaking pretty hectic for the first little bit to get everything out of the way. But we'll get unloaded here, and yeah. Fifi. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a pull. Try and get me. Come on. Okay.